Yo, what's up? 8817 from Daban, and this is your Super Gundam. Let's open this. This very simple box here from the model kit Daban company. So we got here so many parts for this Gundam Mark II with a backpack which I don't know the name actually, and this is called Super Gundam, by the way. And yes, we got the manual here, white manual. You can see black and white print out, and this is I think the same with the Bandai pattern. And yep, it's a really copy of the Bandai kit. This is a copy of Bandai kit, which is very nice. Okay. So let's go with the parts here. We got chunky blue parts for the backpack, and we got foil stickers and or slide eagles. Got gray parts and red parts here, some polycaps. We got polycaps, and we got here white parts and some wires. Yep, this is the I think the mesh wire, which is very nice. It's a bit hard and thicker compared with the Bandai one. We got this blue, dark blue, red, white parts, and this human pieces here. And we got yellow parts. Same with the parts for the Mark II, the original one from the Bandai. And we got gray parts here. Then we got action base stand. Yes, this is the action base stand, which is very nice. And then we got their pistons. Okay, silver pistons. Then we got here white parts, polycaps, and blue parts. Here, light gray parts and black parts. We got white parts here for the shield, for the bazooka parts, and finally we got red parts and gray parts here for the inner frame. Okay, so these are all the parts here. We got light gray parts. This is runner L. Black parts here for the guns, runner K. Gray parts, runner V1. Runner G. These are gray parts. Runner E. And runner O. Another runner E. So we got two runner E's. Then we got here runner U1. For the white parts, these are all the white parts. And most of them are chunky parts. Yep. And we got tons of polycaps. We got polycaps here. And we got gray parts here again for the inner frame parts. This is runner F. And we got blue parts here, runner P1. And another blue parts for runner S1. And we got red parts here. Small amounts of red parts, but I was intrigued by this part here. I think this is for the missiles. And yep, we got white parts, yellow parts, clear green parts, white, and another set of polycaps. And we got gray parts here again for the ammo clips. And this is your runner M and runner W1. Then we got here also gray parts, small gray parts, and this pistons here. This is chrome plated piston pieces. Then we got here action-based stand and stickers, foil stickers or slide decals. And I must commend this part here, which is very nice. This is the mesh wire, but I think it's soaked in a rubbery solution. That's why it looks or it feels like a rubber compared with the Bandai, which is an actual mesh. But if you cut it, everything will unthread. Okay, let's build this kit. And so we got the finished product of the Super Gundam from Daban, and let's review it first with the main Gundam, the core Gundam, the Mark II Gundam, which is this one. So what I find is the model of the band for the Mark II is really superb compared with the Bandai Master Grade because of this added details which they made on the armors, like the side skirts, front skirts, and even this color separating parts and other breaks for the armor. Like this one, we got the gray part and this not so white part on the armor, and this one also, the gray parts there, really superb, and it looks nicer compared with the master grade the band 2.0, which I did made a review comparison already, so watch the video if you have time. So I will not compare it with the Mark II from Bandai because this is of course different. This is the Super Gundam, which is having additional armaments that we will look later. So for the head, even though the head doesn't have this kind of scope for the side of the head, I still applied it because this is an extra part for the kit. Although in the anime, I think they don't, or it has no lens or this gadget on the head, but for me, I want to still apply that. Okay, so still I apply the shield, which is nice. The shield is really cool here, and we got the bazooka. So the bazooka is on the left hand, and we got this rifle for the right hand. So what I like with this kit is it has so many extra rocket launcher packs which I put on the side skirts. So there we got this very battle geared, fully battle geared model kit here. So the shoulder armor also is really nice. I really like those brakes and those yellow pieces attached on the vents there. And articulation wise, the joints for this kit is really tight. There we go. So I didn't sand anything on this kit because for me this should be, or it should be tight, those joints, because you know, if you attach the fighter on the back, it would be very back heavy. And good thing about this kit is the torso doesn't have any gimmicks for ab crunches, which is very thoughtful for the band producer, because if you got this abs to do crunching, eventually the joints inside that abs will loosen up because of the weight issue and weight burden if you attach this fighter pack on the back. Okay, so good thing it will not wobble in the long run, but it does have articulation on the waist. The waist can rotate like that, but minimal. The only problem that I got with this kit is the hips keeps on wobbling like that, so I might repair this kit later on because I don't like this legs to be wobbly. But still, even the wobbly, it can support the weight of the model, even though we got this kind of core or fighter attached on the back. So the core here, I will not review so much with this kit because this is, to be honest, this is just an accessory, but still a good plus point to have on your kit. Okay, so there we go. We got some articulation for this pad here. So there, like that. So it's a bit loose already because I didn't modify those joints, so it's a bit loose, but it's okay because this one should be moving freely for the kit, so in my opinion. Okay, so attached also is this cannon here, the super cannon. I forgot the name of this, but this is the signature weapon for the Super Gundam. So there we go. It can extend like that. Those armor here, or this protectors, and for this handle to be deployed, you need to use some tools like this cutter that I have. So there, and it will expose the handle. So this is very long, so as you can see, it's taller compared with the model. So there you can remove those guns and apply those handle on the hands. What I like with this kit is, of course, the articulated hand, even though it's shit sometimes, but still it's a good plus for me because I like kits with articulated hands, just like with this model here, which is the Red Zeta Gundam. So I got hooked by Bandai model kits because of these models that I built last year, and I find the hands very amazing, and the building process for this kit is really easy. I didn't encounter any problems when I built the kit. Okay, so too much for this Red Zeta here. So Red Zeta, let's keep it aside there. So how to attach this big fighter on the back? So it's easy. We got the peg, as you can see, there's the peg there, and we got the peg point on the back, which is this one. So you just apply the pegs on the back like that, and this is the lock. So make the lock raise up like that first before applying. Okay, so attach it on the hole there and securely lock that gray piece on the latch on the booster or the backpack of the Mark II. Okay, so there we go. Simple as that, easy peasy. And can put this on the sides like that. Okay, put these armors on the side, and there we go. You got this very cool looking Super Gundam, and I don't like to remove those parts or those cockpit there because it looks nice to me. I like that attaching on the back. So this one you can attach on the side. You got this hard peg there, and you can apply it on the hole. As you can see there, we got holes, and can apply that peg, easy as that. And there you go, we got the 1/100 master grade Daban Super Gundam. And let's have some quick size comparison. So we got this red Zeta Gundam from Daban as well. So red Zeta Gundam is a bit taller than the Super Gundam here. And another Daban model kit that I have is the Freedom Gundam. There we go. So Freedom Gundam, I was surprised that it's a bit shorter compared with the Gundam Mark II, because I thought that this is also shorter, but I think the band model made it a bit taller, because I know the Mark II from Bandai is not that tall. So let's compare it with another bootleg that I have. So I got this Psycho Zaku from Thunderbolt. So this is the Wang model. So they're all bootlegs. So these are all my bootleg kits. So fully armored model kits here. And let's have to compare it with my bootleg also from Plamo Loving Alien, which is the Amuro Ray Jida, customized Jida. So there we got the 1/100 scale Amuro Race Jida. So this Plamo Loving Alien model kit here is much taller compared with the Daban models that I have. So there, thank you so much for watching this unbox and review of the Super Gundam from Daban model kit. See you next time.